They accuse the judge Vaidil Masyan that he is susceptible to listening to instructions, political instructions.
Who?
The judge is known to be succumbing. Like Armen Afshetyan was another politically persecuted. The same judge sentenced him to a big term in prison. So, in the similar manner, they are persecuted. Do you think this judge will keep him for a year or more? And if so, how will this be countered?
I will not comment on any judge. What kind of a schmuck would I be to make a comment about a judge hours before a hearing?
So what do you intend to do to release him later this afternoon?
Look, the local team and myself, we've all prepared. We've all prepared arguments. We have limited expectations. But I can't say anything about a judge.
Two and a half more questions. 3. Basically 4. So do it fast, she's asking that. I want to understand if you will only refer to legal means. And you mentioned several times that you will take it to the CTHR. We have a case of the arbitration ruling, which the authorities refuse to implement.
Exactly.
So how, given this type of authorities, how do you take it only to